Is your game always lagging, stuttering, or running slow, even when your PC seems fine? Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock your CPU's true performance and optimize your system like a pro. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just want your PC to feel faster and smoother, this guide is packed with powerful steps that can make a real difference, especially on budget or older machines. Before we dive in, drop a comment below with your CPU model, and I'll reply with custom suggestions. Step 1. Take control of CPU core usage. Set CPU Affinity. In many cases, Windows doesn't distribute CPU workload optimally, especially when you're gaming or running demanding applications. Some background processes might get priority over your game, or your system might spread the load across weaker CPU cores. Fortunately, you can take control by manually setting the CPU affinity, telling Windows exactly which cores a program should or shouldn't use. Here's how to do it. Start your game or app. First, launch the game or performance-heavy application you want to optimize. Open Task Manager, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager quickly. Click on the Details tab. This gives you a granular view of all running processes. Find the game process. Scroll through the list and look for your game's executable, e.g., Valorant.exe, CSGO.exe, etc. Right-click the process, select Set Affinity. A window will pop up showing all your CPU cores, CPU 0, CPU 1, etc. By default, all cores are usually selected. Choose the right cores. Uncheck 1 or 2 lower-numbered or less performant cores. For example, if your CPU has 6 cores and your game runs best on cores 2 to 5, uncheck CPU 0 and CPU 1. If you're unsure, start by leaving only the middle or higher cores selected. These tend to be the higher performing ones on modern CPUs. Click OK to apply. Your game is now locked to those specific CPU cores for this session. Step 2. Use Quick CPU to unlock full processor performance. If you want to get the most out of your CPU, especially during gaming, video editing, or streaming, Quick CPU is one of the best tools available. It exposes hidden performance controls that Windows normally keeps under the hood and lets you fine-tune your processor beyond what standard power settings allow. Step by step, how to use Quick CPU. Effectively, download and install Quick CPU. Head over to the official Quick CPU site, no registration required, and download the latest version. Install it like any regular program and run it as administrator for full access to all features. Set the right power plan. At the top of the interface, find the power plan dropdown. Select Ultimate Performance. Tip: if you don't see it, you can enable it via command prompt. The Ultimate Performance plan removes all power-saving features, ensuring your CPU stays at peak readiness, especially important for gaming and workstation tasks. Adjust core settings for maximum output. Use the sliders to set the following to 100%. CoreParking Index prevents Windows from putting CPU cores to sleep. Performance Index ensures the CPU operates at its best available state. Frequency Scaling Index keeps your CPU from downclocking under load. Turbo Boost Index ensures your processor uses its built-in turbo features without restriction. Click Apply, then OK to confirm. Open Advanced CPU Settings. Scroll down to access more detailed controls, or use the Advanced tab if available. Enable Intel Turbo Boost technology. Let your CPU run at higher than base speeds. Enhanced Intel Speed Step, EIST, balances performance and power on the fly without throttling. All turbo power limits ensures your CPU isn't held back during extended high-load periods. If you're using an AMD processor, similar features may show up under different names like Precision Boost or Core Performance Boost. Enable those accordingly. Step 3. Registry tweaks to enhance CPU efficiency. Warning: editing the Windows registry can impact system behavior. Be cautious and create a system restore point before making any changes. These tweaks are powerful, but only if executed correctly. How to open the registry editor. Press Windows key plus S, or click the search icon on your taskbar. Type Regedit into the search bar. Right-click Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control, UAC. Tweak 1. Disable CPU CoreParking. CoreParking is a power-saving feature that dynamically disables CPU cores when not in use. While useful on laptops or low-power systems, it can introduce input lag and latency during gaming or demanding tasks. Disabling it keeps all cores active at all times, ensuring consistent performance. Steps. Copy and paste the following path into the registry editor's address bar. You'll find the full path in the video description or use your PowerScheme GUID. Then, navigate to the subfolders related to processor performance CoreParking. This may vary by system and power plan. Locate the ValueMax entry. Right-click it, select Modify. Change the value data to 100 in hexadecimal. Locate the ValueMin entry. Right-click it, select Modify. Change the value data to 0 in hexadecimal. These two settings force Windows to keep all processor cores unparked at all times, preventing slowdowns caused by reactivating dormant cores. Tweak 2. Prioritize foreground applications. This tweak adjusts how Windows allocates CPU resources, giving foreground apps, like your game or editing software, a higher priority over background processes. Steps. In the registry editor, navigate to find the entry called Win32 Priority Separation. Right-click it, select Modify, set the value data to 26, hexadecimal. This value provides an optimal balance, prioritizing foreground responsiveness while still allowing background services to function smoothly. It's one of the most trusted performance tweaks used by power users and gamers. Final step, restart your system. For both tweaks to take effect, restart your PC after making the changes. Optimize system configuration for maximum boot performance. If your system feels sluggish during startup, it might be because Windows isn't using your CPU's full potential during the boot process. By default, it sometimes doesn't take advantage of all available processor cores. Thankfully, there's a hidden setting that can unlock that potential and help your system boot faster and feel more responsive right from the start. Follow these steps carefully. Open System Configuration. Click on the Start menu or press Windows key. Type System Configuration and select the result, or type msconfig in the Run dialog with Win+R. In the System Configuration window, switch to the Boot tab. Click on the Advanced Options button near the top right. Enable full CPU core usage. Clean up background services for a leaner, faster system. Background services are often responsible for unexpected slowdowns, especially during gaming or heavy multitasking. Many third-party applications install services that quietly run at all times, even when you're not using them. While some are necessary, many are simply eating up system resources without providing real benefit. By selectively disabling non-essential services, you can free up CPU cycles, reduce RAM usage, and improve system responsiveness, especially in gaming environments. Follow these steps to disable unnecessary services. Open System Configuration, press Windows key +R, type msconfig, and press Enter. This opens the System Configuration utility. Click the Services tab at the top of the window. You'll now see a long list of services that launch and run in the background when Windows starts. Hide critical Microsoft services. To avoid disabling essential system processes, check the box at the bottom labeled Hide all Microsoft services. This filters out Windows system components and shows only third-party or user-installed services. Disable unneeded services. Carefully scan the list for services related to printer update tools, software updaters, e.g. Adobe, Google, HP, Apple, game launchers. You can re-enable them when needed. Telemetry or tracking services from third-party apps, services from tools you no longer use. Uncheck any service you recognize as unnecessary. If you're unsure about one, search the service name online or leave it alone for now. Apply and restart. After making your selections, click Apply, then OK. Restart your PC for changes to take effect. Consider disabling core isolation. Optional. Type core isolation in the search bar. Open it and toggle off memory integrity. This can boost CPU performance, but reduces system security. Only do this if you're confident about your system's protection in other ways. Let me know in the comments what CPU you're using and how much your performance improved. Subscribe for more performance guides and tips. Like if this helped you. Peace out and happy gaming.